Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Norway. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Norway, a Nordic country in Northern Europe, is primarily driven by oil and gas exports, with a heavily developed mixed economy. Norwegians enjoy the second highest GDP per capita amongst European countries. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years, and as newer traders continue to enter the markets, beginners should first find themselves a globally regulated, safe and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Norway and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Norway. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian, fully regulated online financial broker. Was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. At number 4 on our list, we have eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application. eToro's trading platform is a user-friendly custom trading platform, which is available as a browser-based web application. Their mobile application is supported on Android and iOS operating systems. Featured accounts are available on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. Coming in at number 3 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of helpful ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXTM. At number 2, we have XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, and is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, while combining financial services with innovative technology and supporting a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in services and trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature Standard, Pro, and Islamic accounts, with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which features integration with NinjaTrader, and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delves into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Norway, we have Swissquote. Swissquote is an online, fully regulated financial broker, regulated by the Swiss Federal Financial Market Supervisory Authority, and is a member of the Swiss Bankers Association. Founded in the year 2000, with its headquarters located in Switzerland. Over 400,000 traders choose Swissquote as their preferred financial broker. Swissquote offers traders the ability to trade in Forex, CFDs, and options on a variety of asset classes, which includes currency pairs, FX options, metals, indices, commodities, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on Swissquote's Advanced Trader platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Standard, Premium, Prime, and Professional accounts, with lower spreads, no commissions, expert advisors, access to over 200 Forex and CFD instruments, and more. Swissquote also provides their very own educational section, which features courses in financial trading, a variety of downloadable ebooks that delve into introductions, risk management, among other trading topics, webinars that you can sign up to, as well as a trading glossary for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with Swissquote. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Norway on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.